Hey guys, it's Nenda from Nenda's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I have in here a Easter craft, which I did a lot of the work off camera. So this video won't be as long because I'm just gonna decorate this with you guys. But first, I want to show you all the things that I did. So in here is 3 separate pieces of wood I found at Hobby Lobby. So you can buy a package that comes 6 pieces of wood together if you want to make something like this. So you're going to paint this individually with whatever color that you want. I chose white from Apple Barrel, is acrylic paint. And then after I paint all the pieces of wood, I paint the craft sticks. So as you can see in here in the back, I have 6 pieces in this side and 6 in this other side. So to glue this all together, I use the Fabric Tack glue. This gives me time if I want to move the craft stick on the right place where I want them to be. But you're free to use hot glue if you want. And then I glue the papers in here using the tack glue. After that, I decide to apply 2 coats of this polyacrylic protective finish here in the front, and I apply 1 coat on the back. So it gives this nice finished look. And then I decide to glue the ribbon in here with hot glue. And now I just need to finish decorate this. So let's get started. As you can see, I already have 2 of the little bunnies in here. And in here I have this other felt bunny. This one I got from Hobby Lobby, and in here says Happy Easter. So now I'm going to glue the little bunny right here, and I'm going to use the art glitter glue for this. So these little bunnies come with a stick on the back of them, but I'm going to just move this off, and I'm going to apply a little bit of art glitter glue. And I'm gonna glue right here in the middle. Just like that. So here I have a whole bunch of foam flowers and foam Easter eggs, and these little carrots, they are felt carrots, and I'm going to use it to decorate in here. And there you go, I already glued the eggs and the flowers in here, and now I am just gonna finish it up gluing all the other flowers in here and the little eggs in here. So I am going to have the purple flower, and then the pink flower, and then the yellow flower. And I will just remove the paper from here, and I will apply art glitter glue. Same thing with this other one in here. And now I'm going to glue the foam eggs. So I'm going to remove this, apply glue. And then I'm gonna use this one to glue on the top. I will apply a little bit of the glue in this side and in this other side. And then I'm gonna glue the little eggs on the side, but as you can see, I need a piece of foam right here on the bottom to hold it in. And I'm gonna use this little foam dots to put it in here. So I will remove this, and then I'll put one right here, and another one right here, and then just remove the paper Now we'll apply a little bit of the glue in here, and in here. Same thing I'm gonna do with this other one that I'm going to glue right here. Now I'm gonna use the 2 little carrots to glue right here on both sides, and I'm gonna remove the paper, apply a little bit of glue, and there you go. This part is all done. Now I just need to finish this other one, and it's gonna be the same way as I did in here. So in this middle agate right here, I decided to apply a little piece of foam tape. And then I'm gonna glue right back in here. And there you go. And now I'm gonna just finish glue the little carrots. And there you go. It's not completely done yet because now I think it needs something in here in between, and I decided to apply the gemstones in there. So I'm gonna go with these colorful ones, and I'm gonna use a little bit of the art glitter glue in here. And there you go, it's all done, and it turned out so cute. I really love it. I hope you guys had fun decorating this with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. I really appreciate this time that you spend with me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!